Hey guys, this is Debbie here from Southern Delight. So glad that you joined me today. Well, we've moved into our new home, and as you can see, this right here is our entryway. And for our first DIY project in this home, we're going to be taking and putting some crackled glass film on this door to just add a little bit of privacy to the home, because we've got all these open glass windows. And at night it kind of lights up in here and you can see everything going on in the house. But we are needing just a little bit more privacy. But stay tuned because we're going to be putting that on. Well, we just got back from Lowe's and we purchased some Glass Scenes decorative window film. And this film is probably priced about $44 a roll. And then we've got the application solution and then a cutter there. But we're going to go ahead and get this project kicked off here. We're just going to trim around it. Okay, it's cleaning the window. Spray the door with the application solution, and then get ready to put the cutout piece on.
Well, I got to do that. Squeegee's so big I can't get around it.
Probably should have got a smaller one.
Yeah, you actually should have got the. We should have got the right one. Instead of this big one. This is a wall.
And there is the finished product. It works wonderfully.